Hi, welcome to our channel Good Life and Learning. Today we'll be learning how you can copy the data from text file to Excel or how you can import .text files to Excel. Sometimes what happens, we have the data in Notepad and we want to bring that data in Excel, but the data looks so messy. Let's see that example. See, this is my data and I want this data to be copied in Excel file. So if I know the trick, I can do it in few seconds. But if I don't know the trick, then it is going to take hours and hours. So let's see that. First, you need to open the Excel file and then you need to go to the data tab. From the left side, you will see the option from text. In the Get External Data group, you will see the option from text. This is the third option and you need to click this option. Now go to the path where your text file has been kept. Now my file is in E folder, so I'm just going to open this text file. Now press the import button. Now you will see a dialog window will appear with delimited options selected. Go to the next option. Now you will see a list of delimiters. As you can see in my data, there are lots of commas and I want my data to be appeared in separate column for each comma. Wherever the comma appears, I want exactly a new column for that. Okay. So delimiters are nothing but they are separators and it will create a new column for each of the separator. Suppose if you are having the tab in your data, you can check this option. If you are having semicolon, then you can also check this option, comma, space. So every time when you check this option, your preview will be changed according to your selection. Now in my case, there is no tab, there is no semicolon, and I think space option is not going to work with my data. Suppose if you have another symbols like ampersand or is equal to, so you can also select this type of other option if you are having other symbols and you want to create new column for each of that symbol. So you can do it by checking this option. I'm not having any other symbol, so I'm going to uncheck this option. I'm having commas and I've got a pretty view for my data as it has created a new column wherever the comma appears. So go to next option. Then it will ask in which format you want your data. I want to keep my data in general format, so I'm not going to do anything in this window and I've got a pretty better view for my data, so I'm going to finish it. And now this time it will ask where you want to put your data. I want my data in this cell. Okay. I want my data in this cell, so I have selected this cell. Just select this, yes. Now press OK. See, I have got my data in separate column like X coordinates, Y, ID, name, barrier, highway, reference, address, isn't, place and other tags. So see, my data has been formatted and the way I want, and I have done it in few seconds. So it is amazing. Let's see my notepad data, how messy it looks, and I have imported the data from text files to Excel. So this is the way you can import your data. I hope it helps And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.